Hey everyone, today I show you how to produce Amapiano like Stixx, Nvcho and Mathandos. Whether you're a beginner or you want to improve your production, in this video I will guide you from start to finish. Without further ado, let's just dive into the video. You know the track start with a bass line and I want to go straight to the bass line, yeah. The bass line sounded like this.
You can download the FLP using the link below. Also, if you want the password for the FLP, please watch the whole video.
For bass line, like I've used Spire, and what I did, play around with this one. It was on FM, I think so. So I had to like to like classic and also play with the frequency here. Like play with these ones here. Now, okay, this is the bass line here. Okay, now we have like a pad. It's gonna be sonor, just straight line. So after that, like we need like to add like few RP sounds, melodies. The first melody gonna go like this, just a pad. So as you can see, like after both sounds here, the first one, it's M1 also. Second one here, it's hive. Then both of them. Okay, and then we have this one here. It's kind of like bring more energy to the melody. It's M1 also. So yeah. Then we have this one last sound. Just to bring like some sexual vibe. Okay, so it's nice, it's great. Alright, so now we have like this one here, a bridge. So a bridge got a chords. Straightforward chords. Now we have this one also. Now we have, so we have something like this. Alright, and then we have a bass line here before the straight lock drum. So basically like the lock drum or the bass line, just follow like the straight bass line, pow pow pow. But now we're going to the sub one. And then now we're going crazy. Gonna add the electric drum. something like this. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Hit this like button, subscribe, comment, tell me what's on our next. By the way, this is your boy, and I'm out.